Today we got the DDJ-REV7, and the issue with this particular unit is right here in the back. The channel 1 or mic 1 attenuator. So like, whoa, you hear that? Just tapping, it's going crazy. Let's see this side. This side is fine. But that side is definitely broken. I could see that it went in a little bit, so that means that attenuator is totally destroyed. I'm gonna have to take this thing apart and try to fix it. So we're gonna go ahead and take everything apart. First thing we do, flip the unit upside down and remove all of the bottom screws. All the bottom screws have been removed. Next, we're gonna remove these back here, kind of securing that main board. So I'm gonna start with the big ones. The goal is to remove this here. So we got all these top screws to remove, but I'm also going to make a little quick notes, take some notes here. So we're going to go to silver, 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 and silver, 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 silver. See anything on those holes? Nope. So here, silver, silver, silver. And let's go ahead, remove them. Okay, that is loose. Should have come right out. There it goes. So now we're going to focus on this. That's where our mic is at. Okay, we're going to continue removing more screws. We're also going to just label the ones we're removing. And this is the card that we're gonna have to remove, but we're gonna inspect this. So as you can see right there, this one seems to be pretty strong, but this one definitely destroyed. I'm gonna see if this is fixable. If it's not, I'm gonna have to replace the whole part. But to do so, we're gonna have to remove some more screws right here. Keep them together. That just has 2 screws. Another one right here. And unplug. That's it. Put this to the side. Now we're going to inspect this. At this moment, we're getting ready to desolder the bad one, and we have a new one right here. So I'm one of those guys that likes to replace the parts. Some guys just replace the entire board, all of it. So if this is bad, don't replace the whole board. Just get one of these, replace it, and that's it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Little flux. Okay, remove the bad one. As you can see, not too good. So we're gonna put that to the side. And we're going to clean this area a little more and prepare for the new one. New one has been installed, nice and firm. And now we can just go ahead and solder it. Okay, very nice. And now a little cleaning so that it looks good. Beautiful. That's how I like it. Here we go. Just like brand new. Nice and clean. They both feel really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back and do our test. Time to put it back. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we put this back. Okay, we're gonna do a quick test before we put everything back together. So I got the screws up here, but that test is necessary before we actually put the main covers. So let's go ahead and get it ready for the test. Okay, let's see. Test, test. Oh, turn the mic on.
One, two. Okay, so
Hello, hello, hello. 1,
2, 3. Okay, now we're gonna touch this button and see. 1, 2, 2. Yes. Awesome. So it's working really good right now, guys. This button no longer is making those crazy sounds. So this repair has been completed. I'm gonna go ahead and close the unit. And thanks for watching, like and subscribe.